Hello. Today we are going to train your English voice to use if I do and if I did in sentences. We use if plus present tense when something is possible and we expect it to happen. Let's look at an example. If I blame my brother for eating all the cookies today, I will not get in trouble. So we use if and the present tense blame. If I blame my brother for eating all the cookies today, I will not get in trouble. Remember, we use will to talk about something that will happen in the future. So this sentence is possible and I expect it to happen. I expect I will not get in trouble if I blame my brother. Let's take a look at another example. If I study, I will pass the exam tomorrow. So here we have if, the present tense study. If I study, I will pass the exam tomorrow. We use will to talk about the future. It is something that is possible and something that I expect to happen. I will pass the exam if I study. We use if plus past tense when something is impossible and we don't expect it to happen. If I blamed my brother for everything, my mum would not believe me. So here we have if and the past tense verb blamed. If I blamed my brother for everything, my mum would not believe me. So this is something that is impossible. We don't expect it to happen. Let's have a look at another example. If I had enough money, I would buy a new car. We have if, past tense verb had. If I had enough money, I would buy a new car. So this is something impossible because I don't have enough money and I don't expect it to happen. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.